In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to watch NHL games on YouTube TV. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the official website of YouTube TV. Type in tv.youtube.com. Once you're over here, provide your credentials and log into your account. Make sure you have an active YouTube subscription. Depending on your plan and local channel availability, you'll have access to major networks that broadcast NHL games, including ESPN, ABC, TNT, and other sports channels. Once your subscription is active, open the YouTube TV app. Make sure you are already logged in. Now go ahead and search for NHL. Once that option appears, click on it. Now you're going to find live games, upcoming matchups, highlights, and related content. You can also browse the sports section or go directly to channels that carry NHL broadcasts to see what's currently airing. To make sure you never miss a game, add your favorite NHL teams to your YouTube TV library. This allows YouTube TV to automatically record eligible games, making replays and highlights available for you to watch later. If you're looking for even more hockey coverage, check whether additional sports packages or add-ons are available through your YouTube TV subscription. Some plans may offer access to extra sports channels and expanded NHL coverage throughout the season. And that's it. That's how you can watch NHL games on YouTube TV and keep up with your favorite teams all season. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.